Welcome to EHS online courses. Our today's video is on fire extinguisher and types of fire extinguisher. What is fire extinguisher? Fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is an active fire protection device used to extinguish or control small fires, often in emergency situations. It is not intended for use on an out-of-control fire. Fire extinguisher anatomy. The main parts of a fire extinguisher are 5: body or tank, a valve assembly, a hose, or a nozzle, an extinguishing agent, a propellant. The tanks are made of metal, they contain the extinguishing agent and the propellant. The tank is linked to the valve assembly through a sleeve. The valve regulates the extinguishing agent flow. It is composed of a body, a handle to lift the fire extinguisher, a locking pin, a release lever and a dip tube. In stored pressure fire extinguisher we can also find a pressure gauge, or a pressure indicator. The body of the valve is made of stamped brass, molten aluminum or highly resistant technical resins. The hose allows to direct the flow of the extinguishing agent. It is a flexible pipe, it can only be found on fire extinguishers that are heavier than 3 kilograms. The extinguishing agent is a substance that limits the spreading of the fire and allows for its extinction when it comes into contact with it. The propellant is a gas whose function is to expel the extinguishing agent from the fire extinguisher. What are the different type of fire extinguisher? Types of fire extinguisher. There are 6 types of fire extinguisher. 1 water fire extinguisher. 2 foam fire extinguisher. 3 dry chemical powder fire extinguisher, DCP. 4 carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. 5 wet chemical fire extinguisher. 6 special dry chemical powder fire extinguisher. In coming slides, we will go through in detail. Water fire extinguisher. Water fire extinguishers have a red label. Water extinguishers are used on Class A fires involving solid combustibles. They are not suitable for fires fueled by flammable liquids or where electricity. Foam fire extinguisher. Foam fire extinguishers have a green label. Foam is a versatile fire extinguisher which can be used for Class A and B fires. The foam agent helps to prevent reignition. Dry chemical powder, DCP, fire extinguisher. DCP fire extinguishers have a blue label. Dry powder extinguishers can be used on Class A, B, C and electrical fires. Dry powder is not recommended for use inside because there is a risk of inhalation. It can obscure vision and cause damage to goods and machinery. Carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide fire extinguishers have a black label. Suitable for Class B and Class E. CO2 fire extinguishers are used for fires involving electrical apparatus. CO2 is not a conductor and does not leave behind any harmful residue. Wet chemical fire extinguisher. Wet chemical fire extinguishers have a yellow label. Wet chemical extinguishers are suitable for fires involving cooking fats and oils. They are most suitable for use in restaurants and kitchens. They usually have an additional Class A rating. Special dry chemical powder fire extinguisher. Special dry fire extinguishers have a blue label. Suitable for Class D fires. These specialist powder extinguishers are suitable for use on metal fire but are ineffective on all other fires. How to use a fire extinguisher. It's easy to remember how to use a fire extinguisher if you can remember the acronym PASS, which stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Pull the pin. Hold the extinguisher with the nozzle pointing away from you and release the locking mechanism. Aim low. Point the extinguisher at the base of the fire. Squeeze the lever slowly and evenly. Sweep the nozzle from side to side. We will come with more EHS videos. Till then, thank you.